the book in now have in Vienna in the year 7847. Have to meet Mozart to get the second piece of the staff.
Mr. Mozart, open the door. I'm going to the prison. The watch is here.
Mr. Mozart is in a big trouble.
Oh no, I can finish the symphony.
Have to assuredly mustache. The Emperor's messenger, have the Emperor's messenger. Hello, gentlemen. Have to congratulate Mozart.
Congratulate Mozart.
Yes. Mr. Mozart, have the Emperor's composer.
Mozart is a scandal.
You insult the Emperor's composer. You are under arrest.
Under arrest? What, me?
Guards, take to prison.
Let me go.
Mr. Mozart, open the door. Landlord and guards are gone.
I coming. I will go.
Harry, must go immediately. Do you have horses?
No, but my friend, he has a car and horses. Thank you.
Don't worry about me. Your candelabra outline away for me. Isildur Lamuldi.